Welcome to our Excel tutorial series. Today we are diving into statistical analysis in Excel. Whether you're a student, researcher, or business professions, mastering a statistical function in Excel can save your time and effort. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing, let's talk about some basic statistical function in Excel. And also you can find under the formula types, and there we will find the different function. Like here, the more functions, we have the statistical. Under the statistical function, you can see there's several function. Okay, and one of the most common and commonly used function is the average. So it's also calculate the average of range of numbers. Simply select like the sales you want to average or you want to the result to appear. Like here, if I want to average the sales data, I can easily use the equal, then the right here, the average this one, then let me select the range, then just to close it with a parenthesis, then press the enter, and here we got the result with the average function. Okay, so next up, let's discuss the STTB, so which stands for standard deviations. This function measures the amounts of variation of disparitions in our set of data. Okay, just like before, we can easily type here. Let me just use the std, or I can just easily use it db or this one. And here you can see we have now this one. I can easily use this one, then select this range and also close it with the parenthesis, and Excel will calculate it, the standard deviation for you. Okay, so here we got the result. Now what if you want to find the correlation between two sets of data? So Excel is covered with the correlation function. This function returns the correlation coefficient between two data. So two data sets, so you can easily type here, like here, if I gonna use this one and I just use the corals this one, then the first array I want these sets, in second array I want select this range, then close it with the parentheses, then so the two range, or I can easily compare it, and here we got it result. Okay, so now let's move on with the count and countif and sumif function. So you can easily find this one. Like here we have the difference like count if and count ifs, and also the sumif sum function under the statistical. Okay, so these are handy for counting or summing value based on a specific criteria. Okay, so count, it counts the number of cells that made a certain condition, while sum if adds the cells that makes the conditions. Okay, so let's start with the count if function. I want to use this one with the count if function, and I will write here the equal sign, then write here the count if, or this one I want to use the range, so I can easily select the range, right? Then the criteria, if I say it is the criteria, let me use this. So, or I can use the greater than, or this, let me use, and or what I'm gonna do get then or equal the 60, or I can easily 150, then close it, then hit on the OK. So here we got the result. You can easily this one as we use the count if function. Okay, so here we got the result, the 0. Okay, so you can easily use like instead of this one, if I gonna select this one, and here we have the spell checkings, you can easily correct it. This one, okay? And also some if function you can easily use, like sum if, or this one range you can easily use it, this range and criteria. So if it is greater than, or you can easily use the criteria you want to use is the sum if function. Okay. So last but not least, let's talk about the data analysis tools in action. So if you need more advanced statistical analysis, so Excel offers a range of powerful tools, or powerful tools such as histogram, regression analysis, and more. So you can find this one into the data types, and here you will find data analysis. From there you will find what if the analysis, you can have the different options in there. Okay, so and there you have it with the basic statistical function and tools. You can perform a wide range of analysis right within Excel, whether you are analyzing sales data, conducting research and study for exam. Excel has everything you need. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next time.